Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best 8-in-2 USB. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Herfair 8-in-1 USB-C Hub. Meet the Herfair 8-in-1 USB-C Hub, a compact multi-port adapter designed to expand your laptop or tablet connectivity in one simple plug. Priced at just $9.38, it offers excellent value for anyone needing extra ports without spending a lot. This 8-in-1 hub gives you multiple ways to connect your devices. It features USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer, extra USB 2.0 ports for accessories like a mouse or keyboard, an SD card reader for quick photo and file access, and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones or speakers. It's plug and play, so no drivers are needed, just connect and start using it instantly. It's compatible with a wide range of devices including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Chromebook, Dell XPS, Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets, plus many other laptops and PCs. Pros: affordable price, lightweight design, multiple useful ports, and easy plug-and-play setup make this hub very convenient for daily use. Cons: build quality may feel basic compared with premium hubs, and it's best suited for everyday accessories and storage devices rather than heavy professional workloads. Number 4. Luonanava 8-in-1 USB-C Hub. This is the Luonanava 8-in-1 USB-C Hub, a compact multi-port adapter built to add more connectivity to your laptop, tablet, or phone. At just $11.99, it delivers strong everyday value with useful ports for charging, display output, internet, and file transfer in one lightweight hub. This 8-in-1 hub includes a 4K HDMI port for connecting to an external monitor or TV with sharp high-resolution output. You also get an RJ45 Ethernet port for stable wired internet access, great for faster downloads, video calls, or office work. The 100W power delivery charging port lets you charge your laptop while using the hub at the same time. It features USB 3.0 for fast file transfers, plus SD and TF card readers for quick access to photos, videos, and storage cards. Its plug-and-play design means no drivers or software are needed, just connect and start using it instantly. And it works with MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell XPS, Lenovo ThinkPad, iPad, and many other USB-C devices. Pros: great variety of ports, 4K HDMI output, Ethernet support, fast charging, lightweight design, and wide compatibility at a very affordable price. Cons: because it's compact, spacing between ports can feel a little tight, and it may warm up slightly during long use, which is common with smaller USB-C hubs. Number 3. MOKiN 8-in-1 USB-C Docking Station. This is the MOKiN 8-in-1 USB-C docking station, a versatile multi-monitor adapter designed to expand your laptop's connectivity for work, streaming, and productivity. At $32.99, it's a great option for users who need multiple display outputs and essential ports in one compact docking hub. The standout feature is its multi-monitor support. It comes with dual DisplayPort outputs, one HDMI port, and one VGA port, giving you multiple ways to connect external monitors for a bigger workspace. It also includes a USB-C power delivery charging port, so you can keep your laptop powered while using the hub. For accessories, you get USB-C 2.0 and USB-A 2.0 ports for connecting devices like a keyboard, mouse, flash drive, or other peripherals. Its compact lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a laptop bag, and the plug-and-play setup means no drivers are required. Compatible with many Dell, HP, Lenovo, and other USB-C laptops, it's built for both office and home workstation setups. Pros: excellent monitor connectivity with dual DisplayPort, HDMI, and VGA, compact design, easy setup, and reliable charging support for productivity users. Cons: USB ports are limited to USB 2.0 speeds, so file transfer won't be as fast as USB 3.0 hubs. And to use multiple displays fully, compatibility can depend on your laptop's USB-C video output support. Number 2. BENFEI 11-in-1 USB-C Hub. This is the BENFEI 11-in-1 USB-C Hub, a powerful triple-display docking station built to expand your laptop, tablet, or phone with more ports and more productivity. At $26.95, it offers impressive value with triple display support, fast charging, Ethernet, and multiple connectivity options in one compact hub. This 11-in-1 hub is packed with useful features. It includes dual HDMI plus VGA output, allowing you to connect multiple external displays for work, streaming, or multitasking. You also get 3 USB 3.0 ports for fast data transfer with flash drives, keyboards, or other accessories. The built-in 1 gigabit Ethernet port provides stable wired internet for faster downloads, online meetings, and smoother browsing. It also supports 100W power delivery charging, so you can charge your device while using all the ports. For media creators and photographers, the SD and TF card readers make file transfers quick and easy. And the 3.5mm AUX port adds convenient audio connection for headphones or speakers. It's compatible with MacBook, Surface, Dell XPS, iPad Pro, Steam Deck, USB-C smartphones, and even iPhone 15 series devices. Pros: excellent variety of ports, triple display support, fast USB 3.0 speeds, Ethernet connectivity, SD card access, and 100W charging, all at a competitive price. Cons: triple display performance can vary depending on your device and operating system, especially with some MacBook models. And with many ports in use, the hub may warm up during extended sessions. Number 1. HODO 11-in-1 USB-C docking station. This is the HODO 11-in-1 USB-C docking station, a premium multi-monitor hub designed for laptops that need maximum connectivity and desktop-level expansion. Priced at $142.09, it's built for users who want a complete docking solution with multiple display support, fast data transfer, and reliable charging in one device. This docking station is packed with connectivity options. It features 2 4K HDMI ports, 1 DisplayPort with up to 8K support, and 1 VGA port, making it ideal for dual, triple, or even quad display workstation setups. You also get 4 USB ports for connecting a keyboard, mouse, storage drives, and other accessories. The power delivery port supports pass-through charging, so you can keep your laptop powered while using multiple connected devices. Built with fast data transfer support, plug-and-play setup, and heat-resistant design, it's made for long working sessions at home or in the office. It's compatible with many Dell, HP, Lenovo, Thunderbolt 3 and 4 laptops, including XPS, Latitude, EliteBook, Spectre, and many more USB-C devices. Pros: excellent monitor support, premium port selection, strong charging capability, fast transfer speeds, and broad compatibility with professional laptops. Cons: higher price compared with basic USB-C hubs, and to use all display outputs properly, your laptop needs USB-C or Thunderbolt video output support. Final review note: overall, the HODO 11-in-1 docking station is a powerful all-in-one docking solution for professionals, multitaskers, and anyone building a serious multi-monitor workspace. If you want to check out the HODO 11-in-1 docking station, check the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.